Good day. I am Mirasol Agcanas from Bios first year. Today, I will discussing to you the history, features, and status in country Ghana. Ghana is a linguistically diverse country with over 80 indigenous languages, primarily from the Kwa and Gur families. Ghana belongs to the continent of Africa. English was introduced in Ghana during the colonial period when the British established control, particularly when the Gold Coast became the Crown Colony in 1874. The British implemented English in administration, commerce, and education, leading to its widespread use. Here are the examples of the native languages of Ghana. The most widely spoken local languages include Akan, with the dialects like Tui and Fante, Moldang Bani, Ewe, and Ga, highlighting Ghana's rich cultural diversity. The spread of English in Ghana is shaped by its colonial legacy. British colonization in the 19th century established English through the education system. After gaining independence in 1957, English became the official language used in government and media. So the role of English in education is the medium of instruction in schools and higher education institutions. So the influence of cultural exchange and globalization, English is prevalent in pop culture, media, and international relations. So the country's linguistic diversity, Ghana exhibits bilingualism and multilingualism. By the way, bilingualism is can speak two languages, while multilingualism can speak two or more languages. So the social factors, urbanization and professional opportunities further promote the use of English. While estimating the exact number of English speakers can be challenging due to linguistic diversity, it is generally estimated that 30 to 40% of Ghana's population, that is approximately 10 to 13 million, given the country's population around 30 million, making it a key aspect of second language acquisition. English holds a significant status as a second language in Ghana. As of the most recent data available, Ghana ranks 34 out of 113 countries in the 2023 English Proficiency Index published by the Education First, which is one of the most recognized sources of measuring English proficiency globally. The ranking place of Ghana is in the moderate proficiency category. English is the fundamental subject in education, primarily taught in urban schools, while local languages are used in rural areas. Teacher training emphasizes ongoing development, and English proficiency is vital for national exam. Education resources exist, though vary access. Schools also promote extracurricular activities such as debates and drama to further enhance language skills. What are the programs for the improvement of English proficiency in Ghana? Here are the examples. READ Ghana program enhances children reading skills. Ghana National Literacy Acceleration Program aims to boost overall literacy rates. National Commission for Civic Education Workshops combine literacy and civic education. Toastmaster International focuses in public speaking and communication skills. Private languages schools offer customized instruction. University programs provides formal English courses. Community-based literacy groups promote local engagement. Online learning platforms make English resources accessible. Media initiatives aim to strengthen English proficiency throughout the country.